paint the vegetables, dog food stalls with the beefcake pantyhose. Kill the headlights and put it in neutral. Stock car flaming with the loser and the cruise control. Babies in Reno with the vitamin D. Got a couple of couches, sleep on the love seat. Someone came saying I'm insane to complain about a shotgun wedding and a stain on my shirt. Don't believe everything that you breathe. You get a parking violation and a maggot on your sleeve. So shave your face with some mace in the dark. Saving all your food stamps and burning down the trailer park. Yo, cut it. Soy un perdedor. I'm a loser, baby. So why don't you kill me? Double barrel buckshot. Soy un perdedor. I'm a loser, baby. So why don't you kill me? The forces of evil in a bozo nightmare. Ban all the music with a phony gas chamber. Cause one's got a weasel and other's got a flag. One's on the pole, shove the other in the bag. With the rerun shows and the cocaine nose job. The daytime crap of the folk singer slub. He hung himself with a guitar string. A slab of turkey neck and it's hanging from a pigeon wing. To get right if you can't relate. Trade the cash for the beat, for the body, for the hate. And my time is a piece of wax falling on a termite who's choking on the splinters. Soy un perdedor. I'm a loser, baby. So why don't you kill me? Get crazy with the cheese whiz. Soy un perdedor. I'm a loser, baby. So why don't you kill me? Drive-by body pierce. Yo, bring it on down.